Real-time multiple power supply, monitoring and controlling system. Login page. When we click on the designed application, it will direct us to the login page. On the login page, we can decide whether we are logging in as an administrator or a user. After entering the valid username and the password, we will be directed to the home page of the application. Configuration. Here we select the serial port, then the baud rate. We have connected only two power supplies and they are PSU1 and PSU6. Then we connect both of them. Controlling and monitoring. By clicking PSU1 button, we will be directed to the PSU1 interface. Then we can set the current and voltage using these specified knobs. Output values will be saved by clicking on the Save button. Then a file path is requested and we select the file path. Outputs can be switched on or off using the On/Off button. Here the voltage and current with respect to time will be drawn as a graph. Then we can go back to the home using the Home button. The same process happens in the PSU6 interface just like the PSU1. We will be directed to the Admin Control Panel using the Administrator Login button. When logging in for the first time, we have to enter the username and the password. This is the Admin Control Panel. Here we can control and monitor all the power supplies at once. From the Admin panel, we can set voltage and current to all power supplies at the same time. The voltages and currents of each connected power supplies are represented on this graph with respect to time. By using the Toggle All button, we can switch on and off all the power supplies at once. Finally, we can log out from the Logout button. Schedule output values. By clicking the Schedule Output button, we can activate the function. Then we can fill in the required time and voltage values. And we select the cycle count as we need. Then the start time and date will be fixed. By clicking the Update Values button, the filled values will be updated. Then we click the Start button and this will be fast-forwarded to the right time. Later it will be switched off automatically. History Data Monitoring. Using the History Data button, we can analyze the recorded data. By selecting one of the recorded files, we can see the recorded output values as a graph and a table. By selecting the dates and times, we can also filter the data after the selected time. Then the graph will be drawn according to the filtered data. Finally, if we want to select another file, we can click on the Browse button and select the file.